Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log in to CriticalOps on your mobile device. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded CriticalOps from your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then once you are done, launch the app open. Once you open up the app, you will be able to select an option to play as a guest. You can log into CriticalOps via Game Center, Facebook, and other options as well. If you have already started playing as a guest, you can easily log in by going to the top left corner and tapping on your profile picture. Now, from the menu where it says Actions, you will see different options such as login via Game Center, Facebook, Apple, etc. You can choose how you'd like to log in. I'm gonna tap on Login with Facebook. You can choose other options such as Apple, Game Center, etc. Follow through the login process. If you've chosen Facebook, you can then go ahead and enter your mobile number or email address and followed by your password in the Facebook login page. Type down your credential and click on Login, and that way you will be able to log in using one of your chosen method. Once logged in, you should be able to see your in-game profile, stats, loadouts, or progression restored. So that's how you can easily log in to CriticalOps in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.